Disclaimer: the content shown in this video is only for educational purposes only. I am not responsible for your actions or any actions that may be taken against you for the use of information that is being provided in this video. The views, ideas, and knowledge expressed here are solely myself and has nothing to do with any company or organization. This is not legal advice. This is what the problem looks like. It says there is no internet connection. It's usually caused because the owner has decided to block your IP address. That way you no longer have access to their internet. I will be showing you how to get back on the Wi-Fi. Let's get started. The requirements is for you to have the Wi-Fi password. An iPhone whose IP address is blocked. It would be your phone since you're watching this video, and another iPhone whose IP address is not blocked. It can be from a family member, friend, co-worker, somebody whose iPhone has not been used for that Wi-Fi. First off, grab the iPhone whose IP address has not been blocked and go to the settings. Second, choose Wi-Fi. Third, connect the Wi-Fi. Fourth, we will be working with everything that is automatic. Make sure to copy everything, like all the numbers shown on here. Like the IP address, subnet mask, router, and DNS. Fifth, we will be working with everything that is on manual on the iPhone you are having issues with. So, just copy the automatic information from the iPhone that is able to connect. Transfer all the information from automatic to manual. Don't forget about the DNS. Transfer the automatic DNS information to manual. The sixth step is to make sure that you have everything transferred from automatic to manual. Also, change the last digit of the IP address. Either go up or down a number from the original IP address. That is all you have to change. Just the last digit of the IP address. Save it. Try to access the internet. If it doesn't work, keep changing the last digits of the IP address until it works. If you followed all these steps, the internet should work immediately. The trick to fixing a blocked IP address is to change the last digit of the original IP address. You will be good to go. If you have any questions or any issues, I will be more than glad to try to help you out on this. Leave any comment if you are having any issues. I'll be glad to help. The same steps pretty much work with any Android device. If you are having any issues, just comment down below and I'll help you out. This was a tutorial for iPhone users, so please don't hate on me. Make sure to subscribe if you're new. All my social media links are down in the description. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.